Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cloudinary dashboard, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser of choice. Type in the URL for Cloudinary's website. Press the enter key to load the page. Once the home page loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the Cloudinary login page. Here, you'll see fields to enter your login credentials. If you have an existing account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Now, move to the next field and type in your password. Make sure to check the Remember Me box if you want your login details saved for future visits. Once you have filled in your credentials, click on the Login button. If your email and password are correct, you will be taken to your Cloudinary dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Check your email for a password reset link. Follow the link and create a new password. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click the login button again. Upon successful login, explore your Cloudinary dashboard functionalities. You are now ready to use Cloudinary's services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.